So first we have to understand the action of sodium hydroxide solution on certain metallic salt solution. So before that you have to understand what is precipitation. See, precipitate means some insoluble mass is formed. So whenever two solutions are mixed and an insoluble mass is formed because of getting those solutions mixed, that full reaction is known as precipitation, and that insoluble mass is known as precipitate. Precipitation is the reaction and precipitate is the insoluble mass that is formed. Then first is action of sodium hydroxide. See, if I can give you a shortcut, then in that shortcut you have to remember, for these two tables, what is the shortcut you have to remember? All the salts taken here will be the same. You just go through, like calcium nitrate, FeSO4, FeCl3, copper sulfate, zinc sulfate, lead nitrate, ammonium chloride. Okay, here it is, but here you won't find it. Again here calcium salt, then iron sulfate, iron chloride, copper sulfate, zinc sulfate, zinc sulfate. Then here alkali what you are taking is NaOH, and here what alkali you are taking is NH4OH. Then one product will be the same, COH twice, FeOH thrice, FeOH twice, FeOH thrice, COOH twice. So one product is the same. Here also you can see FeOH twice, FeOH thrice, FeOH thrice, COH twice, ZnOH twice. So one is the same. The other products are changing. This was the shortcut I gave. Now I'll explain also. So what you have to do is, see, first we are studying that alkali will be NaOH and you have to take a salt. So I am taking a salt, calcium nitrate, NO3 twice. I am combining it. Okay. Now you have to exchange plus and minus among itself. यहाँ का प्लस यहाँ के माइनस के साथ, यहाँ का प्लस यहाँ के माइनस के साथ. So what you are getting is CaOH twice plus NaNO3. Got it? So this CaOH twice is having a color and it is whitish. So white, and which is sparingly soluble. White and sparingly soluble. So now I have added normal quantity of NaOH. Even if I added excess of NaOH, then also it is sparingly soluble. Sparingly soluble means rarely soluble. Got it? So you have to go through the color, what color is being formed. Like if I take the next salt of FeSO4 plus NaOH, just exchange the plus and minus. Okay, so this is 2 plus, this is 2 minus, this is 1 plus and this is 1 minus. यहाँ का plus, यहाँ का minus, यहाँ का plus, यहाँ का minus. So what you are getting is FeOH twice plus Na2SO4. So here again we have got a hydroxide. Here again we have got a hydroxide. So this is calcium hydroxide which was having white color, and this is ferrous hydroxide which is having a dirty green PPT. So the color you have to remember. This is having white, this is having dirty green. And when you use excess of NaOH, then also it's insoluble. Then you have to just keep on changing the salts. You have to do the same way. FeSO4, then FeCl3 you have to take. Then copper sulfate you have to take. So till these four, from calcium, iron 2, iron 3 and copper 2 plus. These four will be very easier for you. And what is changing, like for ZnSO4 and lead nitrate, I'll explain you in detail.